Self-love isn't bubble baths and affirmations. So if that's your plan, we need to upgrade it. Here's how to actually start loving yourself, step by step. Step 1. Stop talking to yourself like an enemy. If your inner voice sounds like a hater, that's where you start. Step 2. Keep small promises to yourself. Wake up when you said you would. Do what you said you'd do. Self-love is built on self-trust. Step 3. Set boundaries. Not everyone deserves access to your time, energy, or peace. Step 4. Accept that you won't feel confident every day. Self-love isn't feeling good all the time. It's choosing yourself even when you don't. And let's be honest, we expect ourselves to be perfect, then wonder why we feel like we're failing. Sarcastically speaking, your brain really said, let's be harsh and expect confidence. Loving yourself isn't one big moment. It's small choices you repeat daily. Follow for more self-improvement and mindset content that helps you build confidence, discipline, and real self-worth.